Hi everyone, welcome! Today in front of me is Apple HomePod 2 and I'm going to show you how to easily pair it with your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to insert our power cable into our speaker and wait a moment. It can take a long time, so we don't have to worry, we just have to wait. Now our speaker is in pairing mode, so we have to bring our phone and insert it 5 centimeters from our speaker. As you can see, our HomePod magnet appeared, so we have to click setup. Now we have to look on our speaker with our camera. Now we have to pick a room, our living room. Now we have to click agree, transfer settings, allow stereo on HomePod, recognize my voice, use personal requests, turn on, and now it will set up. It can take a long time too, so we don't have to worry, we just have to wait. That's it, our HomePod is ready. We have to click done, and that's it. Like and subscribe for more types of videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye!